Your dream life and business is a foundation for your business success. If you want to go fast, walk alone. But if you want to go far, then walk with a team. Working with people that align with your visions, your missions, core values is a very important and deliberate step of action for anyone who really wants to achieve great success in any chosen career or goal. Let me say good morning, ladies and gentlemen, at this point. Now, with the above statement, at what point should you then have a vision, mission, and core values? Now, think about where you are today and where you want to be in the next 5 years, where you want to be in the next 10, 15, or 20 years from now. With that being said, it is important to establish a vision, mission, and core values. These, of course, doesn't have to come from anywhere else but you. It has to be that burning desire within you to get to somewhere tomorrow. Take at least 2 or 3 hours today to listen to yourself. Go into your dream mode at this point. Ask yourself, what is that thing you know will make you feel fulfilled when everything you need to do is done? Write it down. Write about the things that you want to hear people write about you by the time you would have finished your time here on earth. Talking about this, take a little drift into your career and business today. What would you want people to say about you and your business for the services you render? By the time you are done writing this, read it out to yourself as though you are sitting down and hearing someone say it about you and your business. Out of this, start creating your vision. Write about your mission statement and then establish the few values you want to express to the world in your business. Getting all of this together can be a boost to your day-to-day grind in this game. Now let me take the passenger seat at this point to show you an example. Assuming the company here is Trumpio's International Group. I'll start with the vision statement. It could be something like this: to become the Nigerian leading technologically driven company in the business development, marketing, and sales services by the year 2030. This is the vision. The mission statement would be to provide our services to our target markets using the best of both human and technology, while providing a convenient environment for the growth and development of our stakeholders. With core values: empathy, humility, resilience, integrity, professionalism. Remember that all of these have been extracted from my dream description of what my business represents. Now, in closing, share your statement with whoever wants to work with you. Share it with your spouse and children. This should be the binding force for your team. I can confirm that this alone possesses so much strength for you and your business's success. Now, do join the Ask Tim Abel Mastermind forum with the link provided below and ask me anything as it relates to business development, marketing, and sales. I'll see you again soon. But great, nothing else pays.